Hey guys, my name is Dyer and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I created this powerful leave-in conditioner step by step. This is a strong DIY natural hair growth treatment made with simple and natural ingredients that will truly exceed your expectations. This leave-in conditioner deeply nourishes your hair, making it soft, full, and lightweight with a healthy natural look. Just follow my instructions closely, guys. And trust me, it's really easy to make, and most of these ingredients are probably already sitting in your kitchen. And this can be the result of using a powerful leave-in conditioner like this one. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
1, 2, 3.
For the first ingredient, I have fresh aloe vera. I will be using 1/4 of it. I already soaked it for about 10 to 20 minutes to remove the yellow sap, also called aloe or aloe latex. This part can easily irritate the skin and is bitter, so soaking it helps get rid of it safely. After cutting it open, I will now extract the gel. Keep in mind that aloe vera is amazing for hydrating the hair. I'm going to follow the same process throughout. Now that I'm done extracting the gel, I will now crush it using my hands. Then I'll strain it to get a smooth gel liquid. This plant is well known for its strong moisture-retaining properties, helping each strand stay deeply hydrated. It also soothes the scalp, especially when irritated, when its natural enzymes help reduce flakes and support healthy hair growth. The result is fuller looking hair, better elasticity, stronger strands, and improved thickness over time. And as you can see, this is the final texture, and this is exactly what I was talking about, guys. If you make yours properly like this, you will get the same smooth gel that keeps your hair soft and easy to manage. Let's go on to the next step. For the second ingredient, here I have a cheesecloth, and I will be using 3 tablespoons of rose petals along with a small amount of hibiscus that I already pre-mixed. I'll place them inside the cheesecloth so they don't spread into the mixture. Here I am now tying up the cheesecloth. I'm now adding it directly into the aloe vera gel because I want to give the conditioner a beautiful natural pink color. But if you prefer, you can add them directly into the gel for a simpler method. Just make sure to strain it well afterwards to remove all the particles. In my case, I'm doing it this way. Rose petals help support hair growth by nourishing the scalp with vitamins A, C, and E, improving blood circulation to the follicles, and reducing dandruff thanks to their natural antimicrobial properties. Hibiscus, on the other hand, is also a powerful natural ingredient, rich in vitamin C, iron, as well as amino acids. It supports hair growth by stimulating the follicles, boosting keratin production, and reducing dandruff, as well as preventing premature graying. Next, I'm going to use 2 large tablespoons of shea butter, and I'll melt it using the double boiler method and let it slowly melt. Shea butter supports hair growth by creating a healthy scalp environment and reducing breakage through its deep moisture. It is rich in vitamins A and E as well as essential fatty acids, which help strengthen the hair, reduce frizz, and seal in moisture. Once it's fully melted, I've removed it from the heat and let it cool down slightly. And this is the aloe vera mixture, which I'll add in right into it. To make the leave-in conditioner more potent, I'll be adding some vegetable glycerin, which is ideal for hydrating dry, damaged, or curly hair. Now let's mix it up. After putting the mixture into the freezer for around 10 minutes, I'll take it out and use my hand mixer to whip it until it becomes creamy and smooth. Multiple times, you guys might need to take it back into the freezer and let it chill again before using the hand mixer. Listen guys, using a strong DIY conditioner like this one gives your hair a deep, targeted moisture and protection. It repairs damage, reduces breakage, and controls frizz without any harsh chemicals, additives, or even synthetic preservatives found in store-bought products. This works like a daily shield that locks in moisture, it improves elasticity in your hair, and it makes the tangling so much easier. And guys, look at the results. This DIY leave-in conditioner made with aloe vera, rose petals, and hibiscus provides intense hydration, supports hair growth, strengthens the strands, and enhances shine without heavy chemicals. Here I have a small container which I will be using to put in the leave-in conditioner. You guys can use any container of your choice. This is what your hair needs to grow, guys. Natural ingredients that are going to bring out real before and after results for your hair. And guys, with this, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Please, let me know if you tried this amazing leave-in conditioner out and how your experience was in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!